General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
I was sitting there hitting the wrong button. How does it say Tuesday? Today Wednesday. Today Thursday. Oh yeah, because I forgot to post. Tuesday's PDF. But if people looking at this, then they'll know. But it's some people in the Telegram that's not watching this, so I don't know if people look at none of this stuff. But it's just me doing what I do anyway. News, Forex Factory. Oh, he won a manufacturing deal. Unemployment don't look that good. Let me get the screenshot thingy. That probably boosted up chances of rate cuts, which is good because June is projected rate cuts anyway. I said manufacturing came in green, prices came in red. Let me do tomorrow because that's what it's for anyway. Tomorrow's NFP. That's dangerous. I wonder if it's like something that gives you the news as soon as it comes out, so you don't have to wait that 3 seconds for the page to load or have the page already loaded. Because Bloomberg will have you with a commercial break. You gotta wait a whole 2 minutes, and by then you could tell by how the market moving if the news is good or bad. Okay, this actually went down. Let's see if the other one went up though. No rate cuts. So this went down too. It was 65% yesterday. This went down 5%. For June 18th. Earnings Friday never has top 10 companies ever. See, look, Fubo. I don't even know what that is. Wendy's should be earnings because it's delicious. Nothing NASDAQ moving here. Let's look at dollar on the daily. Oh, dollar came to where I wanted it to. So now I'm interested. It's official. Okay. Dollar came to where I wanted it to. Now all we need is a CSD and the commodity train continues. I do wonder if into market analysis, like with gold, but gold and dollar is opposite. Just for some type of NASDAQ in the market analysis, like those type of vibes. This is target hit. Target hit done for the week, really. From here, I do want to see here. So we do got this up here still. But I do prefer to see lower. I want the market to go low until Trump do that deal with China tariffs, or whatever ends up happening with that. But sales are fun, and once that happens, the market might rally like 100,000 trillion points. I mean, it just is what it is. So that'll be 100,000 trillion point rally from down here is like legendary. Weekly objective hit. I do think we still need to go lower, but let NFP do whatever it wants. And plan for next week. Don't have to trade every day. One good move a week. Is enough to make ends meet. I need to do t-shirts. Let me underline that. That's a bar. Okay. Friday open price. Don't really need that so much no more. This range, I can reference this weekly range. I could take this off. We do got buy side liquidity up here. Can't see higher prices. At least a wick on buy side liquidity. No CSD on the daily yet. So higher prices tomorrow. And then a reversal. NFP could just melt us, keep in mind. Just melt us. Maybe if London creates a high and CSD engage in the sell. But I doubt it. Price could chop all overnight until news. New York KM session. It's 2 O's, 2. What's this? Previous. Yeah, it's previous week. So you took out previous week's high. Nice. I like this. No displacement, nothing. Nothing really here yet to say, all right, push sell. Retracements up and respect the bearish raise can mean sell. Retracements and rejections can mean sell. But I'm not sure. So I want to engage. Apple and I'll just type it out. Apple and Amazon definitely feeling the tariff squeeze. Definitely. So we could sell, but it's their fault. They should have built over here. Took all the jobs and took them everywhere. Now you got to feel the tariff squeeze. Yep, sucks for you. We all got bills. I ain't finna cry about your bills. I got my own bills. What I look like? I look like they gotta pay the bill. They gotta pass it on to the customer. Do you understand how tariffs work? Lord. Yeah, higher. This could be a failure swing. We can still run this high. My target will be previous day's high. I want to see if we get up here. That'll make me want to close above here. Make me want to target this, but a retracement up and or if we take out this failure swing here and or price just holds and then NFP does all the damage. I kind of think NFP is going to be bad. Wednesday kind of forecast that with ADP employment change. I think it was called that. Go look. Yeah, employment change was bad. So What are they calling this now? I don't know why they don't call it NFP. The world calls it NFP. See, look, employment change again. Oh, it's ADP and then non-farm. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, it's actually forecast to be lower. Yeah, watch the high, run the high and die, retracement and die. But this could just be a retracement for higher prices. This is not selling. It's not saying I'm finna sell with the structure right now. So due to order flow still being bullish, a retracement and lower would make me bearish. But until then, I'm looking for higher prices. No alert set. I ain't playing with NFP. Shout out to all you brave soldiers or people that's taking small trades in your personal account. Or even large trades. You don't know. Some people are professional. I'm still a student. So move with caution. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.